Hello everyone, this time I want to show you how to create a Git repository in command line, okay? Look at this. Okay, let's copy. This is a Git ID, okay, and this is a repository name, okay, and this is if this is false, it's public, and this is true, it's private, okay. Let's copy and paste to CMD. And input password. There is an error. Why? Listen carefully. If there is this make an error, okay? This is not allowable. Copy this, paste, okay, and copy, paste. Wow, let's check, refresh. Okay, it is made. Okay, don't forget like and subscribe. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.